10 tips for a better night's sleep and gain more energy. If you're not getting a good night's sleep, then you're not getting the rest your body needs to function properly. Thankfully, there are a lot of things you can do to improve how well and how much you sleep. Here are 10 tips that will help you get a better night's sleep. Number 1. Get into a routine. All of us need some kind of rhythm to our day-to-day activities, and when it comes to sleep, a routine is very important. Having a set time every night when you go to bed and wake up helps your body steadily wind down as it gets ready for sleep. And waking up at the same time each morning helps your body slowly wake up and start functioning again. Maintaining this routine 7 days a week is crucial for getting the quality of sleep that you need. Number 2. Get away from electronics at least an hour before bedtime. Even if you feel like you have to deal with work emails right up until you go to bed, try to limit how much time you spend on your phone or laptop before turning in for the night. The light emitted by these devices has a way of making it harder for your body to get ready for sleep, so it's best not to be around them too close to bedtime. Number 3. Avoid being outside between 6 and 7 p.m. The sun's UV rays are at their strongest during these hours and skin cancer is at its highest, so avoid being outside between 6 and 7 p.m. when you can. This rule also applies to people who spend the majority of their days outside, such as construction workers and those living in places that are very hot during the summertime. Number 4. Sleep with a cool, dark room. Your room should be dark right before you go to bed so that your body gets enough time to calm itself down and prepare for sleep. Other sources of light, like the light inside your room, should be turned off before you go to sleep. If it's too hot or cold in your room, use an air conditioning unit like a fan or put on some layers of clothes so that your body has some kind of cool contact with what it's exposed to at night. Number 5. Don't eat before bed. It's best to do anything that requires your body to use a lot of energy, like eating before you go to bed, so that it has all that energy stored up for the night when you'll need it to stay asleep. If you eat anything too close to the time you go to bed, your metabolism may still be working overtime as it breaks down the food, which might make it hard for you to fall asleep and also keep you up at night. Number 6. Avoid daytime naps. Getting 8 hours of sleep at night should be more than sufficient for your body, so you should avoid daytime naps. When you wake up during the day, your body will want to stay awake and be active, which doesn't help when it comes to preparing yourself for sleep at night. If you do find yourself needing a nap during the day, try to restrict it to 15 minutes or less, and make sure that you take it before 3 p.m. Number 7. Don't use electronics in bed. Even if you fall asleep watching your favorite TV show or playing video games, you should try to avoid using your electronics in bed. The light from these devices may still be keeping you up at night, even if you turn them off. And the bright screens also might have a way of keeping your brain working as it plays with what's on the screen instead of letting it rest and relax. Number 8. Use therapy tools. A number of things can help you to get a better night's sleep, including therapy tools that focus on your breathing. A tool like an essential oil diffuser can help you to breathe more rhythmically and more deeply as you drift off to sleep, which helps your body produce a level of oxygen that it can use while you're sleeping. This will keep your body calm and ready for sleep when it's time to put your head down at night. Number 9. Create an after-work routine. It's important to have an after-work routine that helps you transition from the workday to your time at home. For example, if you like to relax on the couch and watch TV, try to schedule that activity right after you get home from work so that it helps you wind down instead of continuing your work mode into the evening hours. Number 10. Get a good mattress. Your mattress is one of the most important elements for getting a good night's sleep, so it's best not to skimp on quality when making your purchase. Remember that it's just as important to keep your mattress clean as it is to keep your room cool and dark. With a good sleep-friendly mattress, you can have a comfortable sleeping environment without even being in the same room with your bed in order to fall asleep. Conclusion: there are a lot of ways that you can get more sleep every night, but getting a good night's sleep is only one of the most important things that you can do to improve your health. You don't have to follow all 10 tips to get better sleep, so choose just the ones that would benefit you the most and then use them to make yourself feel good day after day. Thank you for your time with this post. Please share this podcast with your friends, and we'd love to hear that you'll be here next time.